Hello, we are at our newest rental and we are so excited. We absolutely love this gorgeous house. Come on in and check it out. So my favorite part is when you walk in here, the first thing you see is this super cool modern light, and it brings your eyes right up to the raised ceilings. So I cannot take credit for the high ceilings down here in the living room in this two-story house, but I can take credit for the pretty light. But anyways, I just love it. So you immediately just see the height in the ceiling, and it brings you into this grand living room, which is so fabulous. The ceilings are super high. There's tons and tons of space in here. Lots of really good natural light, which is always a plus. We even have some built-in storage, and then it leads into our beautiful kitchen, which we will get to. But in this living room, we did fresh paint, new baseboards, new flooring throughout the whole house. There's not a lick of carpet in this entire house. And we had a custom mantle built that matches what I'm sure you can see behind me are the built-in shelves in the kitchen. And brand new windows everywhere. So this living room is so bright and airy, very huge, very big feeling, and just a really great place for families to gather and be together. I am gonna take you on a tour of the Diamond Oak kitchen. Y'all, this thing has had a complete transformation. So this hallway was always here, and it came into the kitchen that actually ended right about where my arms are. So where I'm standing was an opening into what was the dining room, and then the kitchen made like a U shape here. So the refrigerator was here, there was very little counter space, and then just a little counter here, and then back behind you was the breakfast nook, right? So that's where, there was a breakfast nook. So what we did was we knocked this wall out, so the wall that was about here-ish with the refrigerator, completely knocked it out, put a beam up to make this entire wall part of the kitchen, and then add this gorgeous island. So now you've got tons and tons of counter space in this kitchen. It's completely wonderful, very open, very airy. We've got new can lights and new custom built cabinets all the way to the ceiling, which is completely fabulous. So the storage in here is amazing. And then we did this custom wall with the built-ins and this bar area. So this is just such a great storage. It's great for food. When you're having a party and you can have like a buffet, just lots of beautiful things. And you guys, this backsplash is to die for. Our contractors were so proud of this backsplash when they put it in. They were like showing everybody. It's beautiful. So we love this kitchen. We love how it is just completely open and airy. Very bright. The ceilings aren't as high here as they are in the living room, but it feels huge in here. The windows are new, the recessed can lighting, everything is just fabulous, and there's tons of room to prep your food, to host your family, to have this big gathering, and just tons and tons of storage in this fabulous kitchen. I am taking you on a tour of the fabulous master at our Diamond Oak rental. The master is down, which is what everybody is looking for. So this room is giant with huge vaulted ceilings, which is absolutely amazing. When we bought this property, there was a very oversized, very not wonderful sliding glass doors that was pretty much worthless and needed to be replaced. So what we decided to do is, since there wasn't really anything for the door to go out to, we made 3 beautiful windows. So now, instead of having a sliding glass door, the family has windows that they can open and they can enjoy the cool air whenever we do get that. And just really still get that nice natural light. So same floors throughout here in this master, huge ceilings, very open, bright light. But my favorite, my second favorite part of this house, because the kitchen is my favorite, is this gorgeous master bathroom. So we took this master and completely transformed it. It had a vanity that was still this size, but it was just one sink. So we have new custom built cabinets, double sinks now, very bright and light. I love gold everything, so all the things are gold because it's beautiful and it's brushed and it's so pretty and sleek. And so we absolutely love it. And then we took out the bath, so there was like a big oversized garden tub, and we took that tub out and built a stand-up walk-in shower. So over here we've got this fabulous shower with tons and tons of space and lights, and we've got the greens and the whites. It's just completely beautiful and just a very open, very airy, and we love it. So this is our gorgeous master shower and the gorgeous master bathroom here at Diamond Oak.